In this video, we will learn how to create a standing goal text effect in Photoshop. We will type the text. Click on the color box above. Select the golden color. Double click on the text layer. Click the bevel and emboss checkbox. Increase the size 24. Increase the shading angle 150 degrees. Increase the altitude 40 degree. Click on the gloss contour. Select this one. Select highlight mode, color dodge. Reduce the opacity 11%. Now increase this opacity 60%. Click on the OK button. Thanks for watching the video.